I opened my Steam library and one of my games was just gone, like literally missing. I already own the game and I didn't remove it. It's just not showing in the library anymore. And this actually happens sometimes on Steam. It's basically like a library refresh bug or cache problem. Sometimes the game will randomly appear again if you restart Steam, but then after another restart it disappears again. So if this is happening to you, don't worry, you do not need to buy the game again. I'm gonna show you a quick fix. So first, go to the top left corner and click on Steam, then click on settings. Now once the settings window opens, go to downloads, and right here you're gonna see an option called clear download cache. What this does is basically refresh Steam's download data and fix library sync problems. So just click clear cache, then click confirm. Steam is gonna close automatically. Now just open Steam again. Log back into your account if it asks you, then go back to your library. And now you should see that the missing game appears again. Now here's a little tip. Once the game shows up again, it's actually better if you install the game or at least start the download and pause it. Because sometimes if the game is not installed at all, Steam might glitch and hide it again. But if it's installed or paused in download, it usually stays in the library. So yeah, that's basically how you fix Steam games not showing in the library. Pretty simple fix. Just clearing the download cache usually solves it. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.